deep on it and bore you to death, but let's go ahead and let's define a class. So let's go to the blank.php. Let's do save as, and let's go ahead and save it as a class underscore car.php. Boom. Let's take that off. Save. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you. Let's open the PHP tags right here. All right. So what is the syntax of a class? All right. So the syntax. Class is the keyword that we need. All right. To get this going. And the name of that class, just like functions. All right, we have a keyword just to let Apache know that we will be creating a class. So get ready, Apache, we will be creating a class, and the class name will be car. Make sure you capitalize that C if you're following me, or whatever first letter of that word that you are creating that class. It's always got to be capitalized. If not, it's not going to be considered a class. Ooh, unbelievable, right? Opening curly brackets. Perfect. We have done. We created a class. So now this blueprint here has to have many things inside, and we're not going to go into details in this video here. But we will check to see if this class was already defined, if it's working right. So let's do that. Let's create an if statement. And let's use a function, pre-built function of PHP called class exist. I believe this is the way, right there. And what class are we trying to find out that exists? Which one is it? Right here? No, right here. Car. Let's put some quotes in there and write it down. So what do we want to say if it exists? Do we want to say something boring? It does exist, or we want to say something like, yay, nice, nice, right? And then if it doesn't work, we want to say something like, something really exciting, like, no. I hope you're laughing right now. All right. But anyway, we got to leave it like that. All right. So let's go ahead and open it in the browser. All right. And let's see. Oh, yeah. The class is working. Nice. What about if I go like this? Change it. No. That did not sound very exciting. Let's see. Let's try that again. Yeah. Nice. The class is working. All right. Let's try that again. No. Man, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video here. So we define a class here. Now the next step to do this, the next step for defining the class is actually creating some content for it, right? Some properties, some methods, and make it. And then at the end, the goal is to create an object, right? So anyways, hopefully you were able to get some valuable knowledge out of this and some laughs. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.